Students, today we are going to study about the factors in which the states depends. So changes of the states depends. Earlier in our classes we discussed at how the interconversion of states happened, like solid changes to liquid and liquid changes to gas. Then how it depends, in which factor they are depending, how solid changes to liquid, how liquid changes to gas, how gas converted to solid. So there are some factors in which the changes in the states depends, and the factors are temperature and pressure. Now, so temperature, we already know that temperature is what is the temperature? So temperature measures the degree of hotness and coldness. Now next one, that effect of temperature. So how the temperature affects the change in the states of matter. Earlier, for that we have to know little bit some conceptual thing about the temperature. We know that temperature, we have three different scales at which we find the temperature. First one is your Celsius scale. So it is also called the centigrade scale. Centigrade. Centi means 100 and grade means steps. So 100 steps, centigrade. And the symbol for it is this one. This is the symbol for Celsius scale, and this is discovered by a Swedish astronomer called Andreas Celsius. Okay, and the boiling point in the Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius for the boiling point at which the water gets boiled, and the 100 degree Celsius in which the water gets converted into ice. Now our second scale, that is Kelvin scale, and this scale is the standardized scale. We are whole over the world and for the scientific purposes also using this Kelvin scale. The symbol is K and it having no negative value. Celsius having the negative value, we can say that -2 degree, -3 degree, but Kelvin scale doesn't have any negative value, and it is denoted by K, and the S, this is also is the SI unit of temperature. It is also SI unit, standard unit of temperature. The boiling point for this is 273.16 Kelvin. We generally take to 273 Kelvin, and for the freezing point it is 373.16. We can say that we can take 373 Kelvin. Now there is a relation, and third scale is Fahrenheit. So in our house we are using the thermometer that it contain the mercury, and generally we measure our body temperature in Fahrenheit, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit is our body temperature, and it's a ideal body temperature. And for the Celsius we having 37 degrees Celsius for our ideal body temperature. So there is a relationship between Kelvin scale and the centigrade. 273 plus centigrade is equal to K, and this is very important for solving some questions, and I will give some questions based on this. Now